guys, welcome back. So we are going to the track today with the S2000. Super excited. We're going where we just went with the MX5. So excited because now I have some seat time there. Some friends called and asked if I would come out, so we're making a trip of it. I'm very excited. We're about to head to the gas station, and then we'll head to the track. Okay, so just made it to the track. It's a demonstration day, so today there's going to be go-karts, supermoto, drifting, and grip. So very excited to see all of this and see some different things, and very excited to be able to partake in this. So first up is go-karts, and then us with grip. So I will catch up with you guys shortly. Okay, so gang came out. This is Joel's K24 swap S2000. This is his dad's 2.5 swap NC. So everybody's here with the same swap. Dakota's here. He's just out on a parts run with his K swap S2000. So basically, you either have to have a 2.5 NC or K swap S2000 to be here. I don't know. And then there's two BMWs, so that's exciting. One of them's down for the day, just blew the trans, but otherwise we're all having a good time and it's really cool. I hope to see these cars on track at the same time. So far this one hasn't gone out yet, but it's gonna be fun because this one's got suspension and things done to it, so kind of getting an idea for what my 2.5 is gonna be like shortly. K24 NA. Sick. Okay, just did session 1. Car was good, temps are great, very happy with that. Can't complain. So now we're just waiting for session 2. Yeah, really nothing to say, all positive, so yay. Okay, about to go off for the last session, but it has started raining, so who knows how this is going to turn out. But let's go out and have a good time. Okay, so just came in. It's raining pretty good. There's a lot of puddles on track. Car has next to no traction. And seeing as this is my ride home, I decided to make the smart decision and pack up. I don't think the weather's supposed to be getting any better today, so time to head home. Also not feeling the best. I've had the flu all week, so rather than overexert myself and be dying, I'm gonna go ahead and head home, and I will catch up with you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.